Hey science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we dive deep into the mysteries of our universe and beyond. Ever wondered what would happen if Earth had an atmosphere like Venus? It's a fascinating, albeit terrifying scenario to consider. Brace yourselves because this fiery transformation is going to blow your mind. Imagine a world where the sky is perpetually orange and the air is thick with toxic gases. First off, let's talk about Venus. Often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and proximity, Venus is anything but a hospitable sibling. Venus's atmosphere is incredibly dense and composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This thick atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface pressure is a crushing 92 times that of Earth's, and temperatures soar to a sizzling 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine being in a pressure cooker set to maximum heat. Now let's imagine Earth with these conditions. Our blue planet would undergo a drastic and catastrophic transformation. If Earth had an atmosphere like Venus, we'd be living in an extreme greenhouse effect. The heat would be unbearable and the climate would be in a constant state of chaos. The thick carbon dioxide layer would trap heat like a thermal blanket from hell, making it impossible for the planet to cool down. Earth's average temperature would skyrocket, melting polar ice caps and turning oceans into steamy cauldrons. The sea levels would rise dramatically, flooding coastal areas. The intense heat would vaporize water sources, leaving nothing but barren, scorched landscapes. And it gets worse. Rivers and lakes would dry up, leading to severe droughts. The crushing atmospheric pressure would mean survival as we know it is out of the question. The weight of the atmosphere would be like having a giant, invisible hand pressing down on everything. Buildings would collapse under the immense weight, and human bodies would be unable to withstand the pressure, leading to instant crush injuries. Our infrastructure would be in ruins, our delicate electronics and infrastructure would be obliterated. But wait, there's more. The extreme conditions would render most of our technology useless. The sulfuric acid clouds would create agonizingly acidic rains. These rains would be so corrosive that they could eat through metal and stone. Imagine stepping outside into a shower of corrosive liquid that could dissolve skin and metal alike. It would be like living in a perpetual acid bath. Vegetation would wither away and the entire ecosystem would collapse. Plants unable to survive the harsh conditions would die off, leading to a chain reaction in the food web. The air would be so thick with carbon dioxide that breathing would be impossible. Oxygen levels would plummet, making it difficult for any aerobic life to survive. We'd need specialized suits just to survive, but even those might not be enough in this hellish environment. These suits would have to withstand extreme heat, pressure, and corrosive elements. Now let's talk about the broader implications. The changes in the atmosphere would have far-reaching effects on our planet's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from solar winds, would struggle to function correctly. This disruption could lead to increased radiation levels on the surface. This means more radiation penetrating our atmosphere, causing further havoc. And the weather? It would be a nightmare of constant storms and extreme conditions. Expect perpetual lightning storms, acid rain, and hurricane-force winds. The weather would be so volatile that it would be impossible to predict or prepare for. So, in conclusion, having an atmosphere like Venus would transform Earth into a nightmarish, uninhabitable inferno. It would be a world where survival is a constant struggle. It's a stark reminder of how delicate our planet's balance is and how crucial it is to protect our unique atmosphere. Our current atmosphere is a precious gift that sustains life. Thanks for tuning in, science enthusiasts. We hope this exploration has given you a new appreciation for our planet. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing content. Your support helps us bring you more exciting and educational videos. Stay curious and see you next time. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the wonders of our universe. Now that we've imagined the catastrophic transformation of Earth with Venus's atmosphere, let's delve into the fascinating science that makes Venus such a unique and extreme world. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, has an atmosphere that is anything but twin-like. Let's dive deeper into the science behind Venus's atmospheric conditions and understand what makes it so hostile. Venus's atmosphere is composed of 96.5% carbon dioxide and 3.5% nitrogen, with trace amounts of other gases like sulfur dioxide, argon, and water vapor. This thick, toxic mix creates a runaway greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect on Venus is so extreme that it traps heat with incredible efficiency, causing surface temperatures to soar to an unimaginable 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This intense heat is not just a result of the sun's proximity, but also due to the thick atmosphere that acts like a thermal blanket, preventing heat from escaping back into space. The clouds of sulfuric acid that shroud Venus are formed from volcanic activity. When volcanoes erupt, they release sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This sulfur dioxide then reacts with water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid, which condenses into thick, reflective clouds. These clouds are not just a visual spectacle but a significant contributor to the planet's extreme conditions. They reflect sunlight, making the planet appear bright, but also trap heat, exacerbating the greenhouse effect. The high surface pressure on Venus is another factor that makes it so hostile. Due to the massive amount of gas in the atmosphere, the pressure on the planet's surface is equivalent to being 900 meters underwater on Earth. Imagine the crushing weight of the ocean at that depth. This immense pressure would instantly crush any human-made object not designed to withstand such force. Despite these extreme conditions, missions like NASA's Magellan and ESA's Venus Express have provided valuable data about Venus. These missions have mapped the surface, studied the atmosphere, and provided insights into the planet's geology and climate. Understanding Venus helps us not only learn about our neighboring planet but also offers clues about the potential for similar conditions on exoplanets and the future of Earth's climate if we are not careful. The data collected from these missions is crucial for scientists to develop models that predict climate change, and to understand the delicate balance that keeps our own planet habitable. These missions help us understand not just Venus, but also the potential for similar conditions on exoplanets, and the future of Earth's climate. The more we learn about Venus, the better we can prepare for, and possibly prevent similar scenarios on Earth. Understanding the science behind Venus's atmosphere is crucial. It serves as a stark warning and a reminder of the delicate balance that keeps our own planet habitable. The study of Venus is not just about understanding a distant world but about safeguarding our own. It highlights the importance of maintaining the delicate balance of our atmosphere to ensure a livable climate for future generations. Thanks for sticking around, science enthusiasts. Your curiosity drives the quest for knowledge and understanding. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. Stay curious and see you next time. Now let's explore the fascinating history of Venus exploration. The first successful mission to Venus was NASA's Mariner 2 in 1962, which provided the first close-up measurements of the mysterious planet. Since then, numerous missions have been sent to Venus, including the Soviet Union's Venera program, which successfully landed probes on the planet's surface. These missions revealed the harsh conditions on Venus and provided valuable data about its atmosphere and surface. In recent years, interest in Venus has been renewed with missions like NASA's Parker Solar Probe and ESA's Bepi Colombo, which are studying the planet's atmosphere and magnetic field. Future missions, such as NASA's Veritas and ESA's Envision, aim to map the surface of Venus in high detail and study its geological history. These missions will help scientists understand the planet's past and its potential for habitability. By looking back at the history of Venus exploration, we can appreciate the advancements in space technology and the relentless curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown. The upcoming missions promise to unlock even more secrets of our enigmatic neighbor, providing insights that could reshape our understanding of planetary science and our place in the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating stories from beyond our world. Stay curious and see you next time. Finally, let's discuss the potential for terraforming Venus. This concept has fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts for decades. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, presents a unique set of challenges and opportunities for terraforming. The idea of transforming this hostile environment into a habitable world is both daunting and exciting. Terraforming is the hypothetical process of modifying a planet's environment to make it habitable for humans. This involves altering the atmosphere, temperature, surface topography, and ecology to create Earth-like conditions. The concept, while still in the realm of science fiction, is grounded in scientific principles and ongoing research. For Venus, this would involve reducing the thick carbon dioxide atmosphere and lowering surface temperatures. The planet's atmosphere is composed of over 96% carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that results in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Addressing these extreme conditions is a monumental task. One proposed method is to use solar shades to block sunlight and cool the planet. These massive structures would be positioned in space to reduce the amount of solar radiation reaching Venus, gradually lowering its temperature. This approach, while theoretically possible, would require advanced engineering and significant resources. Another idea is to introduce photosynthetic organisms that could convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. These organisms, such as algae and certain bacteria, could be engineered to thrive in Venus's harsh conditions. Over time, they could help transform the atmosphere, making it more suitable for human life. However, these methods face significant challenges, including the planet's high surface pressure and sulfuric acid clouds. Venus's surface pressure is about 92 times that of Earth, and its clouds are composed of corrosive sulfuric acid, posing serious obstacles to any terraforming efforts. Despite these challenges, studying the potential for terraforming Venus helps scientists think about the future of space exploration and the possibilities for human colonization of other planets. It pushes the boundaries of our understanding and encourages innovative solutions to seemingly insurmountable problems. While it may not be feasible in the near future, the idea of transforming Venus into a habitable world continues to capture the imagination of scientists and the public alike. The vision of a lush green Venus with oceans and breathable air is a powerful motivator for continued research and exploration. By exploring the possibilities of terraforming, we push the boundaries of our knowledge and dream of a future where humans could live on other planets. This research not only advances our understanding of planetary science, but also inspires the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. It's a testament to our unending quest for discovery and innovation. The challenges are immense, but so are the potential rewards. The dream of making another planet habitable is a driving force behind much of our space exploration efforts. Who knows? One day the inhospitable Venus might become a second home for humanity. The journey to that point will be long and arduous, but the potential benefits for humanity are beyond measure. Until then, the study of Venus will continue to inspire and challenge us. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe and the potential for life beyond Earth. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space history and future possibilities. Your curiosity and passion for space exploration are what drive these incredible advancements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating stories from beyond our world. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest in space exploration and scientific discovery. Stay curious, and see you next time. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and together, we can explore it all.